Rhea Chakrabarti may have received some relief after months of judicial custody. लेकिन सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की फैमिली एंड उनके लॉयर विकास सिंह हर तरह की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि सुशांत के डिमाइस में फाउल प्ले का एंगल डिसमिस ना हो। एम्स पैनल के सपोजिडली अनप्रोफेशनल कंडक्ट को लेके सीबीआई से शिकायत करने के बाद लॉयर विकास सिंह, who perhaps doesn't want their abatement charge to also be dismissed, has now said that the important question of whether the banned substances involved in the NCB case were given to Sushant without his knowledge by Rhea still remains unanswered.
Well, as far as the grant of bail to Rhea is concerned, the Narcotics Control Bureau case against Rhea is a very weak case according to me. The real case against Rhea is of administering the narcotics to Sushant without his knowledge.
It seems like Sushant's family or their lawyer, Vikas Singh, are not in any mood to back down just yet. They have now launched a new line of attack questioning the AIMS report that ruled out any foul play in Sushant's demise. Sushant's family has now written a letter to the CBI about the supposedly unprofessional conduct of AIMS director Dr. Sudhir Gupta and demanded that a new panel be set up for a fairer assessment. सुशांत की फैमिली ने ये भी अलेज किया है that the report submitted by the AIMS team is not a post-mortem report but only opinions of the panel on the investigation conducted by the hospital in Mumbai immediately after the actor's demise. They also claim that in spite of their many efforts to get a copy of the AIMS report and its findings, they have had no response from Mr. Gupta. डॉक्टर सुधीर गुप्ता को अनप्रोफेशनल कहते हुए सुशांत की फैमिली ने अपने लेटर में लिखा है, The conduct of Dr. Sudhir Gupta is unethical, unprofessional, in contravention of government service conduct rules and MCI guidelines. They have also criticized the manner in which the first post-mortem and autopsies were conducted and questioned why the post-mortem was done at night, why the time of demise was not mentioned, and why videography was not conducted of the post-mortem process. The family alleges in their letter there were several other infirmities which could be pointed out by a genuine forensic examination, but somehow the same have been left out by the AIMS team. Therefore, the matter needs to be referred to another forensic team to be constituted by the CBI by picking up some of the best names in the field from different hospitals so that a fair and proper assessment takes place. While they struggle to try and prove that there was in fact foul play involved in Sushant's demise, the family received another setback when Rhea Chakrabarti, whom they have accused of abating Sushant's demise, walked out of jail today after her bail plea was accepted by the Bombay High Court. Rhea, who was arrested by the NCB after her name emerged in chats discussing banned substances, spent a month in judicial custody, during which time the family had accused her of poisoning Sushant and administering banned substances to him without his knowledge or consent. Now, Sushant's family lawyer, in his reaction to Rhea's bail plea being accepted, has again alleged कि असली मुद्दा ये नहीं है कि रिया ने बैन सब्सटेंसेस लिए या नहीं। असली मुद्दा ये है कि रिया ने सुशांत को बैन सब्सटेंसेस बिना बताए खिलाए। He has also questioned whether Rhea told the doctors whom she was taking Sushant to for psychiatric treatment about his supposed banned substance usage. What the CBI's final findings will be remains to be seen, but in the meanwhile, it seems like the tables have finally turned in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, with Rhea finally managing to get some relief as she battled multiple serious charges filed by 3 central agencies.